Greetings, this is Jeff Corpenning. It's October 9th, 2014, and this is a follow-up on case 13CV1011, Bowling Green Township versus CMI Waste Removal Services. Today I did witness the proceedings at 2:30 today in the court of David W. BRANSTOOL. I've scanned some things here. First, this is a $2 receipt to purchase a copy of the hearing, which I'll play here. And these other images I acquired by asking the bailiff for copies of whatever these photos were that Trustee Benjamin Hupp had provided to the lawyer and to the court. And this is the first that I have seen them, so I did request copies, and that's what these are. These are pictures apparently from Ben Hupp, and I'll put those 4 pictures up here, and then I'll play the video of the proceedings.
Yeah, this is the Bowling Green Township Trustees versus CMI Waste Removal Services. The trustees are represented by Amy Brown Thompson. The case was scheduled for a show cause hearing today at 2:30. It's now 2:40. And I believe the case has been called and the defendants have not appeared. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Brown-Thompson, how do you wish to proceed then?
Your Honor, we could go ahead and put on testimony to support our motion, or I don't know if you needed to make a record, or we can just request that, because he was served with the certified mail service was accomplished at his business office as Shannon, I don't know if it's Raz or Raw, because her written signature looks like 2 Z's, but then her printed signature looks like 2 R's.
Okay.
He signed for, it looks like, on September 16th. If it'd be easier, Your Honor, we could make a record and just ask for a capias to be issued at the end.
All right, sure, go ahead. You may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bowling Green calls Ben Hupp to the stand.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear the testimony about in this case, now you heard to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Please be seated. You just state your name, spell your last name, and give your address, please.
It's Benjamin Hupp, H-U-P-P. My address 15190 National Road, Thornville, Ohio, 43076.
You may inquire.
Thank you, Your Honor. What's your position, Mr. Hupp, with Bowling Green Township?
Vice President of the Board of Trustees.
And how long have you had that position?
I've been on the Board of Trustees for 5 years. I've been Vice President for 2.
Okay. And being that you're Vice President of the Township Board, you were aware that this court granted an injunction against CMI Removal Services to stop CMI from collecting, transferring, and disposing of residential trash within the territorial limits of Bowling Green Township on March 3rd, 2014. Have you witnessed CMI Removal Services collect residential trash in Bowling Green Township since March 3rd, 2014?
Yes, I have.
And when and where did you witness the violation?
It's midsummer, June or July of 2014. It was on Mount Hope Road, Mount Hope is entirely in our township. I've received several phone calls from some residents in that area of the township. When I was out doing business one day, I'd witnessed their trash trucks picking up residential trash in our township.
Now, when you witnessed the violation, did you happen to have a cell phone camera or another digital camera with you?
I did. I had a digital camera in my truck. I was able to take some photos.
Okay. Your Honor, if I may please approach the witness.
Sure.
I'm going to show you what's been marked plaintiff's exhibits A, B, C, and D. Can you please identify these for the record?
This is the back of one of the CMI trash trucks.
Okay.
This was taken on Mount Hope Road. There's a close-up of the trash containers and then also the mailbox of the same residence that they picked up at. another close-up of the physical address of the location, and then another one, a street view of the house.
Okay, so these pictures are the pictures you took on, and it looks like there's a date stamp of June 2nd, 2014, is that correct?
That's correct.
And is that date accurate? Is the date
Yes.
correct on your phone? So
Yes.
that would have been the date that the violation would have occurred, is June 2nd, 2014?
Correct.
Your Honor, at this time, the plaintiff would move to admit exhibits A, B, C, and D into evidence.
All right, they're admitted.
Thank you. Now, another order was actually issued out of this court as well on April 28, 2014, regarding the award of damages to Bowling Green Township. Were you aware of that order?
Correct. Yes.
I believe it was in the amount of $63,650. Has the township received any payment in regards to those damages from CMI? Has CMI contacted the township to arrange any sort of payment plan or anything else regarding the payment of these damages? I have nothing further.
You may step down. Thank you. All right, Ms. Brown-Thompson, how do you wish to proceed at this point then?
Your Honor, the plaintiff believes it's proven that the defendant is in contempt of this court's two orders from both March 3rd, 2014 and April 20th, 2014. Since the defendant's business was served via certified mail with the motion to show cause and he does not appear, the plaintiff would request that a capias be issued as he is in contempt of this court under 270502 subsection A.
And is he individually, I'm talking about Mr. Shackelford?
Right. He is the president of the company, Your Honor. He's also the statutory agent for CMI.
Okay. All right, if you'll get that, can you submit the paperwork on that?
Yes, I can.
All right, then I will approve it when it is submitted.
And just so I'm clear, Your Honor, you're just basically need an entry recapping, journalizing what happened here today?
Yeah.
Okay. I will
Okay.
get that to you tomorrow. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.